I hope you all are fine. In my previous video, I have talked about the Kubernetes main components. We have K8's main component in my previous lecture. So you can go on my previous video and check the Kubernetes main component, what are they are. So in today's video, I'm talking about the one of the main component, which is the etcd in Kubernetes. Okay, so we will talk about the what is the etcd and why we are using here and how can we how the cluster is made or changes anything. So the things are be done in the etcd. So etcd is means like a database of your Kubernetes. So anything goes changes in your cluster means you have the cluster of three nodes or one is the master node. So the etcd is lie on the master always master node. So this is a worker node, this is a worker node, and this is a master node. So you can find the etcd database in your master node. So if anything container or port something changes in node, anything means whatever its config means secrets accounts role binding binds and accounts information, anything changes in the terms of in the cluster. So all the things are stored in the etcd. So it's stored actually your information of your cluster. It store the information of your cluster. So if we means whatever the changes is comes and done in the cluster, so means the etcd have been updated. Once it's updated means it seems that means all the changes have been completed. So whenever you one more thing on etcd is this: whenever you writing means tell the command of kubectl get ports like that or get node like this one. So all the things are come from the etcd's database, etcd server. You can say a server or database, any port. It's actually a port right now. Well, I will talking about this in later. So what is etcd? Etcd is that database of your cluster. If anything changes in the cluster, it means port deletion, creation, replica set, or like this thing, all the things are live in the etcd cluster and all the information is store of your cluster in the etcd. So where is etcd? We can found it, we can found in the master server. In your cluster of the master, in master you can find it the etcd. So it's depend upon how you etcd is launched. There are two way means we go etcd to means download the binary and run it and run and start the service of your etcd etcd. So this is the means a manual things like that. You can go on to the master node, download the etcd binary from the internet or github or K8 or kubernetes.io website and down run the services like we have do with apache or nginx like that. So it's same as it is. So a pod will be launched in the master because you are doing this thing on the master master node. So this is the one thing. This is called manual running the services of your etcd. And second is the any script or something cluster, like we have the kubeadm tool means we can deploy the cluster. We have the kube spray means you don't need to be set or means to download the binary or start the services, go on to the master node. So all the things are doing by this thing means you can run the kube spray or kube adm tools to means download means run your etcd in your master node. So once it's done it, so it depend upon you how you will achieve this thing means you how to run your services. It is depend upon totally you means but the recommend things you always go with the CubeADM or CubeSpray or any other tool means who means Vagrant we have, so we can do the things like that. Means the chances of the cluster deployment have been increasing in etcd or any other services mean to crash, to not crash. Okay, so this is etcd. In etcd how means the one more important thing is once you run these services you can go means it's always deploy on the cube system namespace. So namespace is like something you are as a tenant uh, of your environment. So all the things of cluster means main components all cluster are the in the namespace of cube system. This is the name of the namespace cube system. So means your cube API server, your etcd, and your cube proxy. If you have the worker nodes like that you need to be, and we have the controller node. We have once more it's kubelet. We have it if you have means run these things. We have means running all these major components in your master node in the namespace of the cube system. So your etcd is also live in the cube system. So now once you service have been downloaded running your cluster, your services are running in the etcd in the space in the namespace of the cube system. So because how can we see this? I mean, I will show you in the command as well. Now we will go for the means etcd main things is to it's listen 2379 port means your cube api. If cube api want to be talked to etcd cube api server, it always hit to the 2739 and then it goes into the etcd cluster and fetch the information and get to the api, or it's transferred to anyone if he wants something anything from the uh, kubernetes. Means your etcd etcd uh, advertise, you can say advertise the client url. Means if anyone wants to connect to the etcd, it's something come on the 2379 port and get the information. But the cube api service is the main service who connect to the etcd directly and get the information. One means whatever you have running in your kubectl get ports running all the things are coming onto the etcd. So we can now we have to means move on a little bit means to go on etcd. Means we can do the etcd on a single master node, means just deploy etcd here. So let make a scenario here. So we have the master node, we have the worker node 1, worker node 2, and all the information are stored in this node. Okay, so what happen if your master is down? Your all configuration of your services are stored in the etcd. So now you have lost your the data. If you want to set up all these things, means your these things, one is the way of you means you have all the deployment, you have all the secrets, you have the means services, all the files which are related to your application need to be have to be means something in manually you have to download all the things. But in terms of copy all these things, you just take the backup of etcd, it's enough. So it means your whole configuration comes in a file for you. So whenever you deploy these cluster, you just run and restore this etcd database in your new cluster. Your application will be launched in a minute. So that now we have means one master node here. If the master node is goes down, what will be happen? So our data will be lost because we don't take the backup, or we means something happen, we forget to take a backup of this. So we can do one thing more here. We can means launch etcd in a HA. It's a etcd 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 in a HA. Okay, so we can deploy the etcd in the cluster form as well. All the ports are running on 2379. So how can we means they update to each other? I will let you know in my next video or upcoming videos. I will definitely go with this HA. How can we configure and how can we means selection will be done in the follower, or like that means raft algorithm will be running here to selection of the leader and follower. So this is the one recommended to deploy the etcd in the cluster form. So let's move on to the practical and let's show you how can we achieve this. I have minikube installed in my system. So let's get ports right now. So there is no port running. So let's see get ports. I have told you means name is you can get the cube system. You will get all the main codes means etcd, cube api, controller, proxy, scheduler, storage, provisioning is also another services, code dns is also services, but the main components are these things. Okay, so you need to be means know about this. Although I will go one by one all the services in my upcoming videos as well. So for this right now it's enough. So let's move into the uh, minikube and see on what listening port is using for to uh, to on which listening port is running. So uh, So I was just mistaking means I didn't do the minus name means I didn't give the name space means where is the cube etcd cube mini cube is rely. I have already told you this the all the services of main component of the Kubernetes are in the cube system. So I just put it the name here and then go into the uh, means inside in the etcd. So let me show you means just what on which services are running and listening. So you can just check the its running arguments, and the peer is the urls is 2380. We will discuss it later. But the listening client urls means anyone needs to be come and connect to me, and listening to me means I have to means listen this one. So I can means listen on the 2379. So it's a means we have can get the data from the etcd with the client url or api of the etcd is 2379. So I hope this is a video you like it, and I will make sure that all the things will be goes in a smooth way, and I will make more videos for you with information. And if you have any suggestion and any comments, so please let me know. I will improve it as much as I can. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye.